Alright guys, Anthony here live at the Wash and Learn Midwest. Today is the day we've all been waiting for. Finally, we're going to debut our DualWash Pro system. Can't wait, super excited to see how it goes. So here it is, what we've all been waiting for. It's our DualWash Pro machine. It's an 8 gallon a minute, 3,000 PSI pressure washer, and with the switch of a knob, becomes a 8 gallon a minute, 300 PSI soft wash machine. On this CRX engine, very powerful engine, a super workhorse, pressure lubricated, has the oil filter, oil cooler built on it, it's electric start. Moving on from the engine, we have a AAA gearbox. This gearbox reduces the speed to the pump. Nickel-plated brass head will not overheat because it separates from the engine, no vibration. It's got seals inside the pump that are made to withstand the chemicals, and they will withstand the chemicals. The pistons, everything is made to withstand the caustic materials run through this pump, which are injected pre-pump. And this is our little secret right here. Nobody knows what's in here, but it's amazing. You can go with the switch of a knob from soft wash to pressure washer. You do not have to shut off the machine, keep it running, go back and forth as many times as you want to. Super simple, super nice, anybody can do it. Now, we gotta understand there's lots of these machines out there in the market. Several people have tried to make them. They either have to turn off their engine to switch over, they have a clutch. This has none of that. This is all built in one, all very simple. With the switch of a knob, while the engine's running, our machine can go from soft wash to pressure wash. That simple, just like that. This would be the complete dual wash system you would buy. From the factory, this will come with a 1/2 inch nipple count at the back, so you can either plumb it to a pre-mixed batch mix, or you can run it over to a manifold, which will bypass the liquids to the manifold, and you can be able to run it for longer periods of time. All right, so let's talk about the option that our partner at Washworks Supply has chose for this trailer. They went with the blend manifold here that controls your SH, your soap, and your neutralizer for post-machine running to clean out your machine. So they went with a 200-foot high-pressure hose, 200-foot water hose, and 200-foot of the 1/2 inch soft wash hose. We chose this option on this machine because in our testing with this setup, this actually gave the user an extra 15-foot of shot on the soft wash gun. They went with a 200-gallon clean water tank, 55-gallon SH tank, 5-gallon neutralizer tank, and over there hidden is a 5-gallon soap tank. All this is run together up to the blend manifold controlled here. You got your clean water, your SH, your soap, and your neutralizer, all controlled right here. One manifold, as simple as it can be. Another great feature that Washworks has included is the remote controlled blend manifold. You can be out at your job washing with your SH chemical, simply press a button and rinse your chemical without having to come back to your blend manifold. Now, I do want to emphasize to y'all that this machine can be set up any way you want. It does not have to be set up through a blend manifold. It gets to be set up through a pre-batch mix. Great feature, great machine. Proud of it. Great job, Washworks.
With this system here, it's the only system out there that is able to go from high pressure to low pressure without damaging anything. There's no other system out there in the market where you're able to go from high pressure to low pressure.
We're really excited about what's going on here. This is our first demo of our DualWash Pro. It's been a machine in the making for the last 3 years. We've listened to the operators and the contractors and everybody that will be using it. We came back with these focus groups and came back, and this is exactly what we've come into. This is a dual wash system, very, 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 very interesting because it's very simplified in the way of usage. We have on this particular one is 8 gallons a minute at 3,000 PSI. That's on the high pressure side, and a single lever, you can go right to soft wash without any problem whatsoever. So it's really, really exciting. We're looking forward to continually grow this category in our business, and we love what we're doing.